What's going on with the truckers? I just want some transparency for the world. Basically, there's a group of Canadian truck drivers, 50 to 100 truck drivers, that say that they just want to work and they're stuck at the Canadian USA border. And because of it, there's no food, there's no nothing. They're hungry, there's medical issues, they're starving, and they just want help from law enforcement or someone that can help with this blockade.
Of people like the Canadian truckers, we are stuck here on the Coutts, Montana, Sweetgrass port of entry. The thing is that nobody is even listening to us. Even we have talked to Canada Border Patrol, even the US Canada Patrol. They told us don't even talk to us. You can't even record us. Nobody is hearing for us. We are a lot of truckers. They don't even have food. Some of them have the medical issues. Some of have asthma, some of have thyroid issues, but no one is listening to us. Even when we reached to the local officials, they told us we cannot do anything. Just go to the nearest port of entry.
35 miles back.
Even listening to us. So please help us out. We are more than 50 to 100 truckers who are stuck here from 29th of January, and we have no clearance that when they're gonna open the border, and we have to wait until their next update.
Now, for the people that don't know, there is a freedom convoy going on in Canada. A lot of the news and media are making very light of it. But truth be told, they're fighting for human rights. Right? Here's the confusion that I have. I look and I have subscribers and I see pictures of people sending videos and pictures of them giving out free McDonald's and food to all the truck drivers. So from that, I'm thinking to myself, is what these Canadian truck drivers saying true? Is it possible that they just don't know where the food is that people are giving out for free? Mother truckers, the Canadian drivers out there right at the border, tell me the truth. Are there truck drivers that want to get over to America just to do their job? And are they stuck right now, and are they starving? Because that is the narrative that they are painting right now for us Americans to see. I have a hard time believing some of this just for the fact that I see pictures of people giving out food. And, the human behavior of truck drivers, we're just very kind people. So from that, mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know the truth, especially if you're at the Canadian USA border. Are people stuck? Are they stranded? Do they need help? Or do you have food for them? Comment down below.